Call Property Revolution. No more worries, no more stress. Call Property.
One of the most common questions we get here at Property Revolution is, how long do I have to wait for my project to be done? It happens every year during the winter time. Our lead times are short. We get through winter, we come into spring, and then it feels like the floodgates let loose. And tons of people want their projects done all at once. When you meet with us and get a proposal, right at the top of the proposal, at the very beginning, we're going to have a spot there that says, your expected wait time is blank. Those do vary depending on the time of year and the type of project that it is. Sometimes we're able to turn things around in 2 weeks or less. Other more complicated projects that require permitting and things like that might be as many as 12 or 16-week lead times. So if you're concerned about your lead time for your project, reach out to us. We can give you an update as to what our schedule looks like. But in general, when we meet with you, we're going to be transparent and show you our best estimate as to how long it's going to take before we can get started on your project.
Call Property